Hey guys!
Welcome back to a new vlog!
Welcome back! Yeah. I'm just getting ready, getting rounded up here. We're going to be doing something pretty special, very Christmassy. And this little boy is about to freak out. I'm just going out to the well house, aka the North Pole, to go and find something for him for Advent. And we're going to bring you along with us. And so when he opens it, you can kind of get a hint to what we're going to be doing. I'm going to see if he's going to guess what we're doing. So Jackson, we're going to do Advent. Today's December 17th. Okay.
And there's some fireworks, guys.
So 17th. Here you go.
17th. Or some gonna be fireworks. Fireworks!
So this is a special thing.
Fireworks!
Maybe Daddy should open it for you to show you what it is.
Oh, I see what you mean now. It looks like fireworks.
Oh yeah. So when Daddy gets this up, it's a clue as to where we're going. We're gonna go somewhere.
What?
Oh, we have to charge it? What is that, Jax? Can you see it?
Christmas tree.
It's a what?
It's a Christmas tree.
Guess what we're gonna go see?
The train!
The Christmas train!
We're gonna go see the Christmas train!
Yay!
We're gonna see the Christmas train!
This is a Christmas train lamp. It's a train lamp. It lights up. So we will charge this while we go see the real Christmas train.
The real Christmas train!
Oh, we could just put batteries in.
The real
you can?
Christmas train!
Triple A's.
Okay, we'll get you some AAA's.
Okay. I'm so excited to see the real
I gave him
Christmas
AAA's. These are the
train.
AAA's.
And Grandma, are you with us?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Thank you.
Okay. That's fine, Grandma.
Yeah, hi, yay!
Jackson, look.
Wow, guys, look at this.
Oh, neat.
You have to be very careful with it.
Don't grab it from there.
Yeah.
So you can grab it.
Wow, I'm just gonna see the real Christmas tree.
You get to see the Christmas train. We're gonna go see it. We're gonna get ready to go in a minute.
Hey guys, are you with all of us?
Grandma and Papa are coming too.
Yeah.
Auntie Des and Uncle Aaron and Emily.
Yep, all of us can.
We're all
I'm
going.
so excited to see it.
Yes. Let's go put it in your room and we'll turn the light off and we'll go look at it, okay? Let's go to your room. Turn it on. Or turn the lights off in here.
Look, guys, you should have seen this.
Wow.
Guys, come see this.
That is so cool.
Red.
Red, yes.
That's my favorite.
Is red your favorite?
Green.
Green, nice.
Wow.
Blue.
Oh, nice.
Yellow. Blue.
Purple. Oh my goodness.
Blue.
Okay. That
We're
is
gonna go see
so
the real train.
cool.
Well, we're gonna see the real Christmas tree.
We are.
We're
We
gonna
are.
see the real Christmas tree.
We're gonna see the real Christmas train.
Okay, so you just tap.
Hey, what about boots on
You
feet?
gotta get boots and coat. We're gonna dress warm, okay?
Okay.
Because it's gonna be cold.
What?
It's gonna be cold, so we gotta dress warm.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
We're gonna go see the real Christmas tree.
Yes.
You gotta wait though for Uncle Aaron.
The skies are just like cotton candy skies right now. It's so pretty. Look at this. It's majestic. So we're just getting ready now. We're in the car. We got him loaded up in the car. And now we are gonna wait for Emily. Emily's gonna jump in with us, my niece. And then we're gonna drive there and go get a good spot, hopefully. Get there before the train rolls in. It's the best part. We got one really excited little boy on our hands. Speaking of which, we just pulled in. Here we go.
Oh,
Woo! Woo! Holiday train! Yeah!
this is my sign.
Are you ready for this? Okay.
I'm so excited to see the Christmas tree.
We're gonna go get a good spot.
I have a bit of homework.
Yay! goodness back there.
Me?
I just got-
Emily too?
Yeah, you guys. We're about halfway there, hey? Halfway there now. It wouldn't be Christmas train tradition if Jackson didn't cry. You'll be brave, right? You gonna be brave? Yeah. This is where it's at, over here. This is nice and warm. Is it nice and warm, Jackson?
It's enormous. It's enormous. You want
Yeah?
beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Can't really see much. It's so dark. But we're down here, we got a spot, and we're just waiting for the train to come. I guess it was 45 minutes late. So it's okay, it's worth the wait. Apparently Bare Naked Ladies are on it this year. Are they on it?
I'm back.
It's not here yet. It's a little late. It's running a little bit late. It's coming.
Don't go outside, it's windy.
Yeah. I know, his mouth is just hanging open. Jackson! Look at the Christmas trains here! Well, we're really close too.
Are you ready? We had to stop a couple times, and it's just frustrating because we've been working on the railroad all the livelong day.
Is Dinah here? If Dinah's here, won't you blow your horn?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I think someone's in the kitchen with her right now. So nice to see you all. Thanks for spending your evening with Bare Naked Ladies. Thanks to the Cpkc Rail Holiday Train. Sicamous and your friends of mine. Nice to see you all out here tonight. Yo, Cpkc peeps doing all right? Having a good time rolling through the mountains. Bare Naked Ladies, and we should have brought a fountain, but maybe that fountain would freeze. That's Tyler Stewart, he's a drummer if you please. Nice to see you out here at the show. We're Bare Naked Ladies and we got the flow. I hope you're having a good time tonight, cause the Bare Naked Ladies are here, am I right? Here's a song we wrote for a television program. Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago. I'm excited to play this next song for you. This song was #1 in the country of Japan. It was #1 in Germany, #1 in the United States. It was #1 in the United Kingdom. And guess what, houseboat capital of the world? It was #3 in Canada! That's still a podium performance.
It's been 1 week since you looked to me.
If I had $1 million.
If I had $1 million. Vlog update. We are home now from the Christmas train. Me and all these wacky kids and Uncle Ryan. And we're slowly warming up and thawing because I did not choose the right wardrobe choice for that tonight. I should not have worn just leggings. Not a good idea. My legs are ice cold still, but they're coming along. Yeah. The kids are wired. Wired for sound. Hook them up right now. You can have a whole full-blown concert. So, time to make some dinner. Get that rolling because I'm hungry. We're ready to roll. And then I'm so ready to have a hot tea. Anyways, time to go make supper.